2016 Honda Accord V6. Guess what, guys? My favorite color, blue. Anyways, got converters up here, converters back here, flex pod, another converter there. So it's got a total of 3. What we got done on it, a resonator delete, that thing right there. And then it continued 2 1/4 all the way back. Then it duals out, and he had some BORLA S-types on it there and there. We'll see if we can find a link in the description for it. Into these tips. He had them installed somewhere else, that BORLA Texas, BORLA S-type. Sorry. He wanted a little bit louder, so we took the resonator out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's got a cold air intake on it, 2 K&N. Sound decibels. 101. Accord V6. Let you guys hear on the inside. The S-type, you can barely hear it when it's in idle.